I think the male got it. Yeah, yeah. Big fish too. Big. Big. Ooh, that is an absolute slab of a Mayan cichlid. God Almighty. Cheese and peas. Oh my God. This thing weighs 2 pounds. Oh my God. This might be the biggest mine I've caught in a long time. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh my God. What blood. This is a huge Mayan. Fillet this guy up later. Oh yeah, peeing. Why are you peeing, boy? I can't see right here, but I'm gonna go right down by the wall right here. Oh man, something took it already. Man, that thing barely hit the water. All right, nice bluegill. All right, so bluegill acquired. So we got the bluegill. All right, this is what we look at. That's another one of the targeted species today. All right, nice bluegill. All right, so we got us a nice bluegill for the box. So we'll take a bluegill, we'll take a snakehead. I don't think I'm keeping any more Mayans. I got the giant one. If I catch some big ones, I'll keep them, but I'm liking the bluegill. Look at her. It's a fatty. All right, it's a nice one. Nice bluegill. But I'm telling you, that bait didn't barely hit the water. That bait did not barely hit the water. I saw that thing say boop, and it was gone. All right, let's go. Let's see what else we could get. Let's see what else we could get. Yes, sir. See you in a minute. I think I saw a fish pick this up. I think I saw a fish pick that up. That's not what we're targeting. That's decent size. Listen, another good sized Mayan cichlid. Another good one. Moving, my people. Oh man, it's a big old Mayan. Big old Mayan. Ooh, it's a hoss. This guy's a hoss for sure. Big old guy. Big old man. But guess what? It's not what we're looking for. Right now, folks, I'm just watching the pole from the car, from the truck. It's really hot outside, like hot. 95 degrees. 95 degrees. It is hot. So I'm just taking a little AC break. You know, I'm not trying to pass out. And just watching the line. See if it takes off. So, yeah, man. I thought it was gonna be a rainy day. Psycho berry. Something just took it. Oh man. Oh, I spotted tilapia. Oh, to the spotted tilapia, my peoples. Nice. Let's go. I think it's something took it. I think it took it just now. Ah, that's not it. That's not it. Decent sized Mayan, but not what I'm looking for. Man, different. The coloration on that one's a little bit different. A little dull. I think the line is moving. Oh man, good fight. Man, strong fish. Strong fish. Uh-oh, I'll be tie me up. Oh man, nice strong fish. Oh, what a big, oh. It's a slab right here. Ooh. This is an absolute slab of a Mayan right here. Feel like a Mayan though. Big Mayan. God. Oh God. Whew. What a big fish. Jesus. What a slab. Whew. What a big fish. What a big fish. Oh my God. This thing will get bigger and bigger. They're getting bigger and bigger. What a slab of a fish. Oh man, what the heck? An Oscar. Oh man, I did not expect this. These guys are slippery as heck. I'm not gonna be able to get that fish. It broke off, but Oscars are slippery as hell. I'm gonna try to pick them up, but you can't. They're slippery. It's not like the typical fish that. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I don't care. I don't mind that. Back into the hole. After the big Oscar. Look at this guy. I really didn't come out to target Mayans, but man, these are slabs. I'm catching slabs, man. But I got a confession to make, and I'm realizing something. Every single snakehead I've caught, I caught in the evening. I'm gonna say it again. Every snakehead that I've caught, I caught in the evening, later in the evening. And it is notorious that you catch snakehead at night or early in the morning. So I don't see a lot of activity. Last time I came to this spot, there was so many baby snakeheads. You'll see it in the video. If you look at the previous video, I probably caught 20 baby snakeheads, and then I caught the 2 that day as well. So just understand that you know, these things have to be taken into consideration when you're out here fishing. And this is like, I'm torturing myself in the sun, but my goodness, these Mayan cichlids are monstrous. They're huge. And remember, these things are not bad eating. All right, make sure you know you understand that. You know, there's ways, especially if you use the Louisiana fish fry, use hot sauce or mustard as a binder. You know, fillet it. You could debone it if you want and do it that way, or you could just cut it up into more friable pieces. You know, but I'm just telling you, it's not bad eating. So just understand that. It's not like I'm out here catching fish to waste. So yeah, let's see, man. If we, I'm gonna finish off this worm and then go home, but I don't think I'm gonna wait for the evening bite. It's 2 o'clock. I only have well, not even one full worm left. And so I'm gonna finish this worm off and then I'm getting up out of here. I gotta start getting ready for Jamaica. I'm going to Jamaica tomorrow, so we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, we're going back into the hole. Oh my God, this is hey, listen, this thing is a monster. This thing is an absolute monster. Oh no, oh, it's a, yeah, I'm gonna get that. I cannot lift this fish. If I lift this fish, the line's gonna break. I done got lucky. He turned into it. Thing is slippery. Hey, this is the biggest Oscar I've ever caught. Thing's monstrous. This is the biggest one I've ever caught. So, yeah, man, thing's huge. Has a fall side like the snakehead too. Big old thing. Another slab on the worm. Hey man, just dropping the bait down into these pockets in the lily pad in the grass. Catching slabs. Let's go. There's some nasty lightning around me, and I'm not taking any chances with it. I probably have 5 or 6 worms left, but man, and it's 2:35, no, 2:15, so it's still plenty early, but I don't want to take any chances with this weather, so I'm gonna go clean these fish up and see what we do. Yeah man, see y'all in a minute. Yes sir. Absolute hogs. This is definitely the biggest Oscar I've ever caught. All right. I mean, these are absolute slab of a Mayan cichlids. Absolute slabs of a Mayan cichlid. I mean, this fish is a big fish. Look, I mean, look at my hands relative to this fish, man. This is a huge fish. All right. They got spotted tilapia. Unfortunately, just that one bluegill. And I'm cleaning the fish in some water with vinegar in it. Let's get our fish on some napkins. Take our dried pieces. All right, let's put your dried pieces right there. Old Bay. All right, we're just gonna go in and splash a little bit of Old Bay on there. We're not gonna OD. We don't want it to be salty or anything like that. Then I'm gonna go in with my mustard. We're gonna use mustard as our binder today. All right, you're gonna use mustard as your binder today. All right, just gonna go in here and mix that up nice and. Binder just simply means something that's gonna hold your seasoning on your meat. Just go in there with our fish. Season with the Old Bay and the I'll put all my pieces in. Why not? Put them all in there. No need to be cute. Put them all up in there. Seal our bag up. And then we're gonna shape what your mama gave you. Alright, so we're just gonna put our pieces here to kick back. Shout out to the kickback. Yes, sir. One more pieces. There's one more. One more here. One more. Alright. Alright, my beautiful peoples. We're going in with the fish. Alright. All right, YouTube, I'm just here to finish up the video. All right, here's the fish. You know, fried up, the Mayan that we caught today and filleted up. All right, remember we used mustard as our binder. All right, and our Louisiana fish fry. It's cold now because I was here spending time with my old lady. But you can't beat the Louisiana fish fry. Nice and seasoned with the mustard. I'm not gonna spend a ton of time here because I'm hanging out with my old lady. But I appreciate y'all watching the video. Get out the house, man. Go get you some fish. Oh, I didn't even put no hot sauce on it. Yeah, man. We're gonna cut it short now. One day I'm gonna introduce y'all to her to y'all. Don't laugh at it too much because she can't fish. I'm not cut it short just now. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This thing delicious. I don't mind cichlid. I'm just saying, it's delicious. I don't put no hot sauce on it. Look at me. I'm gonna eat some bread. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all. Shout out to Big Mike up in where they at? In Minneapolis. What mom name? And Carolyn. Big up to y'all, man. Big Mike and Carolyn, man. Shout out to y'all, man. We down here trying to make it, man. For real. See y'all in the next one, man. Peace.